Good morning, students. Once again, welcome to Unit 3, that is Human Anatomy and Physiology. In that, we are going to start the excretory system. So, a variety of metabolic activities are performed in the body to sustain and continue the existence on the earth. So, during these activities, a variety of unwanted materials are produced within the body, which are waste, and we need to eliminate them. So the process of removal of metabolic nitrogenous waste from the body is known as excretion. And the organs which are involved in this process of excretion constitute the excretory system. Now, what's the need for elimination of waste? Why do we need to eliminate the waste? The waste products produced in the body of an organism may be harmful or toxic in nature if they accumulate in the body. They can cause serious health problems. Therefore, it becomes essential to expel them out from the body. So, what are the different kinds of body waste produced in the body? They are undigested food, which is during digestion, some of the food components remain undigested and unabsorbed. These wastes are to be eliminated from the body. Bile pigments. Liver secretes the bile juice into the intestine, which contains the bile pigments in the form of bilirubin and biliverdin. So these are the breakdown products of hemoglobin and are very toxic in nature. So they need to be eliminated from the body along with the undigested food material. Now, carbon dioxide and water. The process of respiration oxidizes the glucose and produces carbon dioxide and water. These are not required by our body and are considered waste materials. Nitrogenous waste. The protein components present in the food are various major sources of waste products. The breakdown of the protein substances in the body results in the production of ammonia, uric acid, and urea. And these products are mainly formed in the liver and they are also highly poisonous. So they also need to be eliminated out from the body. Now, water. Large quantity of water taken along with the food and the beverage may accumulate excess water in the body, which needs to be eliminated. Excess salts and vitamins. Excess salts and vitamins. Excess quantities of this salt, water-soluble vitamins present in the body need to be thrown out from the body. Fatty acids, cholesterol and steroids. A major amount of fatty acids, cholesterol and steroids are formed by the breakdown of lipids, vitamins and hormones. These cannot be utilized by the body and need to be eliminated. Different modes of waste elimination. There are different modes of waste elimination in the human body, such as egestion or defecation. The undigested food products are expelled in the form of solid feces via the alimentary canal or the alimentary system, and this is called egestion or defecation. Along with the feces, the alimentary system also helps in the egestion of the bile pigments formed in the liver by the breakdown of RBCs. Exhalation. The respiratory product, carbon dioxide, is expelled out in the gaseous form from the lungs, and this mode of elimination is known as exhalation. Water formed during respiration either becomes a part of the body or water is exhaled as water vapor in the minor amounts. Sweating. Sweat is an aqueous fluid produced through the sweat glands in the skin. It contains waste such as water, dissolved salts and urea, which are removed from the body, although the sweating is primarily concerned with the cooling of body. Excretion. The elimination of nitrogenous waste products from the body produced as a result of protein metabolism is termed as excretion, and these products are expelled out of the body by a specialized excretory system which also eliminates extra salt and water. Human excretory system. It consists of the following organs: kidneys, ureters, urinary bladder, urethra, etc. So kidneys. Kidneys are two reddish brown bean-shaped structures 10 cm long and 6 cm wide. These are located just below the stomach in the abdominal cavity, one on either side of the backbone, and are protected by the last two ribs. The right kidney is a little lower than the left kidney because of the large space occupied by the liver. The inner concave surface of each kidney has a notch called as the hilum, and inner to the hilum is a broad funnel-shaped space called the renal pelvis, which forms the ureter arises. Ureters. Ureters are two ducts or tubes arising from the hilum or renal purvis of each kidney. At the other end, they open into a bag-like structure called urinary bladder. Urinary bladder is a single median structure situated in the pelvic cavity, and it's a muscular structure because which it can contract easily. The urine passes through the ureters and continuously trickles into the bladder. This acts as a temporary storage bag of urine. When the bladder is full, it contracts and expels out the urine. Urethra. The urinary bladder opens to the outside through a muscular tube called urethra. The urethra is short in females, while in males it is longer. This is the reason that females are more prone to urinary tract infections. The opening of urethra is guarded by a sphincter muscle which keeps the urethral opening closed. However, at the time of urination, these muscles relax, because of which urethra opens and urine flows out.